Today is number 2 of Vlogmas, but in this channel, obviously, it's called Slaymas. So I'm gonna be doing 23 days, well, 22 days. Yeah, 22 days of hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, and videos, just every day until, you know, Christmas. Okay. Even maybe some vlogs up in there. Maybe some vlogs, maybe. But we're gonna be all about slaying. Every day is gonna be about y'all learning how to do some natural hair, some makeup, some cut creases, whatever y'all need to learn. I got y'all. But anyways, today I'm going, y'all see this little rag on my head. Y'all know I'm about to be doing my hair today. Pretty much. So I just got out the shower. I washed my hair today. Put conditioner in it, you know what I'm saying, and how to rinse that out, how to detangle and everything. Alright, so pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today is just a little easy wash and go. Nothing too just you know, nothing too big. But I want to show you how I style my hair after I got out the shower. I go in detail for my wash day, but I don't tell y'all what I do after that. So that was kind of like a sequel to that video. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna take this comb. Y'all know this is the international black person comb. But I'm gonna get my nice little swoop up in here because y'all see that? I don't know why I like my hair like this, but I always do that part. Like, y'all will rarely see me do another part except for that. So yeah, y'all know I always do that part. Alright, so I put half of my hair up because I like working in like 3 sections. Alright, so you can go ahead and start like basically detangling your hair even more. And I'm gonna speed this up because it's pretty self-explanatory. You just go from the bottom, and that is it. Alright, so I am back. Now I'm about to go ahead and add my first product. A lot of naturals, like, I'd probably say this is a really bad thing to do, or just a very taboo thing to do, but I like to add some regular conditioner in my hair before I put I don't know if you see that, regular conditioner in my hair before I actually put in some product. I don't know, my hair needs moisture and a lot of it is needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little dollop and just put it in my palm. And I just start rubbing it from my ends. Still, you know, if you need the comb, you can still use it. Personally, I like distributing my product with my hand. Something I like to do. It gets out a lot of tangles at the end of the night. Or day, whatever you would say. Okay. So yeah, that's and you can add a little. I'm gonna add a little bit more because just the moisture. Yeah, just go into it like this. Get the nice little I am going to go on to the product. So we will be using some of this curl enhancing smoothie, obviously by Shea Moisture, pretty much. And then I go like that, and I just go directly from my bottom of my hair all the way to my roots, obviously. I just feel like this gives me my ends more moisture than anything. Yeah, you see how bouncy them curls are? Bounce. Look, bounce. Just, I'm gonna put that in slow motion for y'all. But anyways. But yeah, so I put like a tad bit more just because I like my hold and everything. So the first one, my second little palm, I usually just try to like smooth down my edges. I don't know why that was such a tongue twister for me, but I'm gonna smooth down my edges with that little piece of curl enhancing smoothie. And yeah. So now I'm gonna like top it off with some oil. Y'all know I love my oils and my just natural stuff. So today we're gonna be using this I don't know if I can get in the camera. Okay, ORS jojoba oil. Okay. Jojoba. So we're gonna take a little bit of it and just kind of put it on your head. Like just smooth all that hair down with that oil, because that is also how I don't get like the crunchy feeling from the curl enhancing smoothie. Because I don't know if it's just my hair, it does that too. Because I haven't heard it do a lot to other people's hair, but my hair gets really like it gets a nice hold with curl enhancing smoothie, and I feel like that is one of my biggest like pet peeves. Like I don't like the country look. the crunchy look. I like the soft bouncing curls look. So that's why I like to put some oil in there, so whenever it dries soft and pretty and not too all over the place. So now I'm gonna be taking a controversial type of product. My nice little my ego girl. Ego. Go. Some Eco Styler gel with a little, obviously a toothbrush. Y'all know how we rocking over here. And smooth. I don't know if y'all think this is like relaxing or something, but I've heard a lot of people say like the way that someone does their 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 edges is very so that is pretty much it. How I do my edges. Okay, so I usually also put a little bit of oil. Let me get a nice little chug bag in. Okay, and that's pretty much it, how I do my hair. Obviously, I like to have a little curl right there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I do to my hair. Pretty much. Cuteness. I'm gonna come back with the finished results. Usually, the only thing I change, and probably the only thing that I will change, is is like the way I do my edges, because my edges over here, right here, just a nice little swoop back because I'm not having any like hair out or any edges like really out. So that's what I do. I don't really put that much eco styler, but I will put just a tad bit to kind of like make it all come together. But yeah, I'm gonna come back with the finished result of this nice little wash and go, little just quick styling. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, and I wanted to come and show y'all how I do my edges, obviously. So, y'all, I just get into this little corner. I don't know if y'all have this little corner, but I just make it do what it do. Obviously, because I have no choice. It's the hair in my head, pretty much. So, I just go back into our eco styler I showed y'all, and for some reason, I just like the way my edges look, even if because sometimes I do have to throw my hair up, and ain't nobody got time to be cutting my hair. Alright, so pretty much this is my look. So yeah, just a cool little look. Y'all see like a little straight piece. If y'all see a straight piece in your hair, guys, please do like me. With everything I deal with, just do like me. But I'm gonna show y'all the secret to get rid of them little straight pieces is to look, get it and just attack it. Wow. Wow. Anyways, so yeah, guys, this was a good video. This was a fun video. Had a little music sesh. Okay. And thank you for so much for, like, honestly, thank you so much for watching this video. There will be another video tomorrow. There will be another video the day after that. until never. I'll be still making videos, okay? So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, subscribe this video, and yeah, just make sure y'all engage with me on my socials too, guys. Yeah, bye.